Today we're doing abstract name art. With your Sharpie, draw 2 curvy lines, and then you are just going to write your name, making sure that the letters touch the bottom of the line and the top of your paper. So you're just repeating the letters of your name over and over again until you have filled up your paper. Next, you're going to use your Sharpie to make those letters a little bit darker. If you have a thicker Sharpie, you can also draw it thick the first time, but I only had a thin one. For this example, I did cool, warm, cool, and you can do it the opposite way, but we're doing warm colors and cool colors. So for the top row, I'm going to use blue, green, and purple. And don't have the colors touch, so I'm doing the purple there. I'm going to put a green in between it. You want to think of each white shape in between the letters as its own little tiny painting or little puzzle piece. So try not to have the colors touch and fill in the whole top row. Today we're using watercolor pencils, which are really cool because they write like a pencil, but then when you add water, it turns it into paint. So you don't want to use a lot of water because then it will all blend together, which can be kind of cool, but it also can look a little messy. What I tried to do was so I did like all the green spaces, all the purple spaces, so that way I wasn't mixing the colors on my paper. A little bit. It got mixed a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to do the bottom section next because the top section is wet. So if we're trying to finish this in one class, I thought it would be easier to do it that way. I add my water. I'm going to turn it over because where my hand is, that section is already kind of dry. So in the middle, I'm doing all warm colors. And then I'm adding the water. Again, trying to do all the same colors together, all the reds. And there you go.